To create knowledge articles in Microsoft Dynamics 365, start by logging in with your Microsoft account information. Once logged in, navigate to the Sales Hub and then proceed to the Customer Service Hub. After the Customer Service Hub has loaded, click on it to open the relevant options. On the left-hand side, you will find a section labeled Knowledge within the Customer Service Hub, which contains knowledge articles. Here, you can view your existing knowledge articles, including active ones. To create a new article, click on New and select the desired view. You will then need to enter a title and can add additional information if required. Next, input your content and perform any necessary analytics. The article will then need to be reviewed and published by the author. After completing these steps, save the article to finalize its creation in Dynamics 365.